Welcome to the Perfect Storm Trading YouTube channel. It is Wednesday, for the 14th of July, 2021. Please stop in at our website, perfectstormtrading.com. Check out our introductory information on our book, Perfect Storm Trading, Astro Timing System. You can also join us on Facebook and also on Twitter at Trading Storm. Today I'm going to do a little recap on the predicted down move from yesterday and update the Astro Excel chart, and I'll give you the graph of the Cosmodyne for today, and we'll take it up to where we are currently on the chart. Okay, here we are with the Astro Excel chart plotted onto Ninja. What we're looking at is a 10-minute bar chart of the ES. We were on here yesterday early in the morning looking for this high point where the blue and the green line topped out between 9 and 10:50. Actual high was a little bit later at just after noon, and then we got that down move as the two lines synced together. At that point, you see the green line and blue line started to track down. The blue line bottomed here after midnight. The actual low came in about 210, and the reason for that is because the Cosmodyne Astro carried it down a little further, and I'm going to bring the Cosmodyne chart in here shortly to show you that. So now we have upside convergence here at after this low was made on the green line at 3:50 a.m. Now both lines are tracking upward, but they're tracking upward gradually. So we'll see. We should get continuation to the upside through at least until around noon today. Then the blue line turns down as the green line flattens out. Let's go to Cosmodyne. I'll bring that in and give you the graph for the day. Okay, so here's the Cosmodyne chart. The main plot are the three dark lines, the light blue, red, and the dark blue. The inverted plot are the same colored lines, only plotted in a little bit of a lighter tone. So what we had overnight, we had this down move take place till about 2:50 in the morning. You can see right here it's 2:52, and that's about the exact time the market flipped up. We did get an inversion, and I marked the inversion here with this blue vertical line on the Ninja chart. We got this inversion at 5:30. So let me show you where that took place. Right here on this pivot is where we started to track to the upside. So we're looking carry that through. We are going to take that to about 12 o'clock right here where we hit this peak. So look for these points as your pivot points. A lot of times these smaller points will give you turns, but when I do the videos, I'm only kind of looking for the main larger reversals, like here, 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 and so on. So what we're looking at for the rest of the day, we've kind of, the red and blue, we got a little bit of a differential here. See what happens? The light blue line peaks early, about 8:52. The other two lines, the red and the dark blue, peak about 9:30. We've got moves, more peaks here. We've got 11:10, 11:50, 12:24, coming down to an area between 14:18 and maybe could extend out to 14:48. So it's, when we get these kind of little bottoms, double tops, that can kind of give us a rounded area or an area where we're going to get some zigzag. And then we roll up to another peak after the close at 16:18. So that's kind of where we are today. We're looking for upside till at least noon, and it may carry forward. We do look like we may get a little bit of chop later, but we'll see how this plays out. Use your triggers, the turning points you have now from the Cosmodyne. That'll give you some good trigger points for the day. That's it for today. The Astro Excel trend tool has been tracking correctly this week, so if you have the tool, you can follow that until it diverges. That's it for today. We will be back with another video on Thursday. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification button on the YouTube channel. We will be back again tomorrow.